Your name, Dr. Penelope?
Yes, I need Dr. Penelope.
Can you take Daddy's heartbeat?
Okay.
I need to know if I'm healthy.
Okay.
Does he sound healthy?
Oh, can I get Silky's heartbeat?
Sure. You can get Silky's heartbeat. Oh, good job. Can you give Daddy a shot?
Okay.
Can you give Daddy a shot?
Oh.
Do
Okay.
I need a shot to be healthy?
Okay. I can check her eyes. His eyes. Ears. Ears look
Good.
strong. Now
Good, strong ears.
I can check the shot.
Oh, check my shot. Okay.
I can't do it.
You can do it on my arm?
Oops. Oh. Okay.
Oh, Daddy was so brave.